from what I hear, my sister over here has been up in the club, twerking, and not taking care of her responsibilities, and not doing what she needs to do.
Why is it funny?
Alright, everyone, buckle up, because this story is a roller coaster. Picture this, you agree to watch your sister's child, thinking it's just for a little while. Then, out of nowhere, she disappears. No warning, no explanation. That's exactly what happened to Sabrina when her twin sister Christina dropped off her daughter Karina. And never came back. Now, Sabrina is stepping up, doing her best to raise Karina as her own, even though this isn't what she planned. She's making sacrifices, juggling responsibilities, and doing everything she can, all while Christina stays silent. Not a word. So here's the big question, should Christina be held accountable for walking away from her responsibilities? Or is this just another case of someone avoiding the hard parts of life and leaving the burden on someone else? Let's unpack this wild situation, right now.
This case before the court, what's going on?
Okay, so basically, this is my twin sister. She dropped off her child to me about like 6 months ago, dropped her off saying that she was going to come back, run to the store, and literally never came back. I've been taking care of her. I myself has 2 other kids as well. The little girl, her name is Karina.
Okay.
But Karina, so
How old is Karina?
she's 4 years old.
Okay.
Yeah. She's been getting sick a lot. I've been taking her to a doctor, but out of my pocket, it's been hard to take care of all that. And from what I hear, my sister over here has been up in the club, twerking, and not taking care of her responsibilities, and not doing what she needs to do.
Why is it funny?
I don't know.
When she finishes, then I will come to you. But there will be no laughing in here. Especially about what, don't be sorry, just don't do it. Right. Especially about what she just said, allegedly, that you're doing. You may continue.
But that's basically it. I'm here to request child support from her. That is my niece, and I do want her to, be okay, but I can't take care of her by myself.
Okay. All right. So, what's your name?
I'm Christina Stone.
Okay. Mm-hmm. All right. Christina? What do you have to say about what your sister said?
Basically, I just feel like we shouldn't even be here. We're sisters. This is a family matter. I don't even know why she even brought me here. I have tried to contact her, and for some reason, I have not been able to get a hold of her.
Wait a minute. Hold on 1 second. You seem to be upset.
Yes, I'm very upset because she's over here.
She should be upset. If what she says is true, that you left Karina with her after going to the store, is that true?
And she hasn't even called me at all. That's a lie.
Trying to get a hold of her.
1 second. It's a yes or no. Is that true? Did
Yes.
you leave Karina? Okay. She should be the one upset. You left your daughter, have not come back. She's paying things out of pocket. Your daughter has health issues, and you're not giving her any type of financial assistance. She should be upset. I don't understand your attitude.
I understand, but we are blood. We are family. I am going through a lot myself.
What are you going through?
Well, my baby father in jail, so it's hard for me to really...
What he in jail for?
He got involved in some drugs, and
He's a deadbeat. He ain't taking care of nobody.
Oh, okay.
So basically, yeah, he got involved with some drugs. He ended up in the penitentiary, and...
How long has he been in there?
He's been in there for about 2 to...
Let's break this down. Christina leaves her daughter Karina with her twin sister Sabrina. And then disappears. No follow-up, no check-ins, nothing. Now Sabrina's taking on the full responsibility of raising Karina, and it hasn't been easy. Karina's been sick often, and Sabrina's been covering all the medical bills, doctor visits, and medications. Meanwhile, Christina is out living life like everything's fine, enjoying herself without a care. And when this finally reaches court, Christina laughs. She says they shouldn't even be there, that it's just a family issue, but then, she turns around and says she's upset because she couldn't reach Sabrina? After disappearing on her own daughter? To top it off, she's not even worried about Karina. Her biggest concern is that her partner is currently incarcerated. So tell me, is Christina in the wrong? Or is there something we're missing here? Let's get into it.
Okay.
Something like that.
So he doesn't really know Karina then?
No,
Okay.
unfortunately.
All right. Okay, and I see that dad was served by way of you through the penitentiary system. So he was ordered, to not necessarily be here because he can't be here, but he is aware that this hearing is taking place today.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, yeah, I understand that it's a family matter, but at the end of the day, she's still doing something she is not obligated to do. And you do need to pay her child support. You and dad both. But it wouldn't be right to put dad on child support today considering he's not here and he's in a penitentiary. Do you know how long he will be in there?
He has about 4 more years left.
Okay. So in 4 years, you guys can come back to court and then we can modify it. But as far as today, you are going to start paying her some child support.
Well, what if I just get the custody back?
You ain't even taking care of her. What do you mean?
I can take care of my own child.
No, I've been seeing
Wait
you
a minute,
out on
excuse me.
Snapchat.
You two will just address me, okay? You never had custody from the sounds of it. If you dropped your daughter off and never went back, she has been in rightful custody of your daughter, not you. So I can't make her overturn that situation. I mean, she's been doing it. That's what's right. And what's right is that you should pay child support. You'd agree with me, right?
Well, I mean, I would eventually like to get my child back.
Well, that's fine eventually, but today, that's not what's going to happen, okay? How much money do you make?
I make about 30 grand a year.
30 grand a year. Okay, what do you do?
I work for a retail store.
You get commission?
No, I do not.
Okay. Is that the truth? Because you kind of hesitated.
I mean, I have other endeavors and stuff, like, side businesses.
Okay, but nothing that just generates a whole lot of money?
No.
Okay. So this is what I'm going to do. Do you have any other children?
I do not.
Okay. So your child support obligation will start today. And health insurance. Do you know how much it would cost to add the child only?
So I had called around and they were quoting me about $500.
For that child only. Okay, if that child is, you said you have 2 other children? Mm-hmm. So it's 2 other children, it'll be you and then Karina.
Yes,
so it'll be
ma'am.
4 people. How much would it be total for your insurance?
So for all of us, I think they said like $1,300.
$1,300. Oh, health insurance is so expensive. Mm-hmm. So what I can do is divide it by 4. So individually, each person would be $325. So that will be the coverage that you will reimburse to your sister. Okay. In addition to child support. So you said you have 1 child. I have your gross at $2,500 monthly, which brings your net to $2,146.92. And you have 1 child. It brings your child support obligation to $429 plus the health insurance at $325. Your monthly obligation is $754 a month. You can roll your eyes all you want to. I'm really not bothered by that. Right is right and wrong is wrong. And based on what your sister said and based on your own admission, you're in the wrong. And it's only right that you pay her child support as well as health insurance so your daughter can get her health issues taken care of. Anything I said confuse you?
I understand.
Okay. Well, do you have any questions for me?
I don't.
Okay. Do you have any other questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay. If there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
Honestly, this may be the reality check Christina needed. Karina's father has been out of the picture, and now the court has ruled that Christina must pay $750 a month in child support. Her partner? Still serving time. And even when he's released in a few years, they'll have to return to court to possibly adjust the amount. But for now, Christina is responsible. Even with her income, reportedly around $330,000 a year, she assumed she could hand off her daughter and move on without any consequences. But Judge Von Deb had other plans. She made it clear that parenting isn't something you can walk away from. Christina didn't take it well. She was visibly frustrated in court, as if this outcome wasn't fair. But here's the truth, actions have consequences. If you're into stories like this and want more, check out the videos linked here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow. Catch you in the next one.